Have you ever spent too much time manually dragging and resizing columns to fit your data in Excel? It's a frustrating, repetitive task. But what if there is a way to make Excel do it for you, automatically and permanently? In this tutorial, a powerful one-line command is revealed to solve this problem forever. To begin, navigate to the sheet name at the bottom of your Excel window. Right-click on the sheet name and select View Code from the menu. This action will open the Visual Basic for Applications, or VBA Editor. Once the VBA Editor is open, observe the two drop-down menus at the top of the code window. It is critical to ensure that the menu on the left is set to Worksheet instead of General. This ensures that the code applies specifically to the selected sheet. With Worksheet selected, a new code block will appear. Into this block, type the following command: Cells.EntireColumn.AutoFit. Now close the VBA Editor window. The magic is now enabled. Type a long string of text into any cell. When the cursor is moved to another cell, the column will automatically and instantly resize to fit the new content. This permanent, automated solution ensures that your spreadsheet is always perfectly formatted, saving you time with every entry.